I put on eyebrows to come to you proper today. Proper. So you know it's about to be real because I got on my eyebrows today. I feel like I've reached a plateau, and this plateau, I think I'm starting to become inconsistent again, and I need to start making up excuses. Stop making up excuses. Stop making up excuses. So last week was a rough week. I did not lose any weight at all. I was straddling between 155.4, I believe it was, and 155.4 and 154.8 for a while, for that first week, that last week. And it was because I was on my menstruation. So I ate all the snacks. I didn't drink much water. I had ice cream. I had a bunch of pastry. So I didn't work out 3 out of the 6 days that I usually work out. So it's obvious where I would not have lose the big gains that I usually do. Today I am baking dill rolls. This is the before. It's Tuesday and I'm about to get back on track for exercising. I have missed 3 days of workouts, and I have not been eating clean. I did not lose any weight, didn't gain any weight. So right now I am 154.2. And I was supposed to be 152 by now, so I missed that mark. But no time to dwell on not achieving that goal. I'm gonna see if I can hit that goal this week. I have to turn on the AC. It's a forever thing about my breasts. Oh no, but yeah. Today's skin, I'll worry about that problem tomorrow. Look how I almost went down the wrong way. So yeah, I don't know, when I was pregnant, like my child gave me like amazing skin. Like I was glowing. I mean, in the beginning it was rough, don't get me wrong. In the beginning it was like hella rough. The skin was dry, it was pale and gray. But in like that middle stage, oh my god, that glow and perfect skin. Prenatals, I knew it was a prenatals, and I need to be taking prenatals. Then I'm going to ask her about that as well, about what vitamins I should be taking, because right now, as I said, I'm taking gummy collagen. I want to know if that's working, if that's gonna help. Sorry. And I'm about to take some vitamin C as well. So that's my car update. The car update. You know what's funny? I have to still figure out my eyebrows. That's one of those things, like microblading. I don't know. It might tag into be just like a bunch of confessions, like eyebrows, microblading, or micro shading, or something like that. I think that's what it is. But I have to figure this out as well. I don't like having to do my eyebrows every day, and without eyebrows, kind of looks strange. Yeah, so happy Territory Day as well. Today is Territory Day. Yeah, eyebrows. Figure it out. So I am here in the lounge, and it is posh. It is posh. Just waiting to see the doctor now. This week now, I was straddling between 154.8 and the lowest I saw was 153.6, and that was yesterday. Today's Sunday. And I was supposed to reach 152 the week before last week, and then this week I was supposed to be at least 150, but I can say today that I only lost 1 pound. I'm now 153.2, a pound shy of what I was supposed, a pound shy from what I was supposed to be, 152. But I mean, all small wins, big gains later. So I'm still happy for that. What I did notice though is that I did lose an inch around my waist. So I'm happy for that. And that's what I'm learning to realize is that the scale doesn't always show progress. Sometimes it's always in your body. Your body is changing, but not the scale. And that's because of water fluctuation, building muscle, losing fat, all of that scientific things that probably you know more than me. But so I read. Yes, I'm happy that I also measured myself, so I'm not that disappointed about my progress this week. My clothes are fitting loosely now. Those clothes that were a bit tighter on me, they're now slack once again. Yeah, so that's this week. However, I feel like I've reached a plateau, and this plateau, I think I'm starting to become inconsistent again, and I need to start making up excuses. Stop making up excuses. Stop making up excuses. I don't work out as hard because I'm tired and I'm not eating enough. I don't think I'm eating enough during my open window for my fast. It's starting to play on my energy. My energy has declined. I don't work out as hard. I would still sweat, don't get me wrong. I would still sweat, but I stop a lot in between my workouts, and I feel like I'm supposed to be getting stronger, and I'm starting to feel weaker. I'm not consistent with my chia seed, put in all water. So I just need to be more consistent. However, I think I've reached this plateau, and I'm straddling between 153 and 154 for days, for 1 week. At least before, like, I would see like 157 in the beginning, or 161 and then 158. So I know it's like just eating habits that were changing it. But like right now, it seems it's starting to give me vibes of another plateau. So I'm gonna do, to get out of this plateau, I'm going to do a detox. Let's see if I'm really gonna do this detox. But I'm going to do a detox, a smoothie detox. Now I've done this before, but the last time, as I said in the beginning, if you have been following my vlogs of this journey to 29, every time I do a detox, I would only lose 4 pounds in real healthy weight. The other 6 pounds, because it's 10 days and they claim you lose 10 pounds in those 10 days.
Yeah. Lose 5 pounds in 5 days, lose 10 pounds in 10 days.
Like that type of stuff. And after I come off of that cleanse, that detox, I gain back those 6 pounds easy. Just by drinking water, I swear, just by drinking water, I gain back those 6 pounds. This time, I'm hoping to lose just 5 pounds of real weight. If I lose the 10 pounds and keep it off, praise the Lord. But I am not realistically hoping to keep off that 10 pounds. But I just want to get to 150. 150 is that weight for me where before I was pregnant, that was my heaviest weight. And that is what I want to get back into. So I'm going to start my detox tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. My smoothie detox, and then I'm going to start walking home. I'm going to do 2 times a week. I haven't chosen which weeks as yet. It might be on a weekend as well. But I'm going to walk home one of these 2 days out of 2 days out of the week. I was supposed to be working on my abs as well and my booty, but again, the energy to do maximum interval training, plus that, plus walk, plus dealing with my baby, plus cleaning, cooking, washing bottles. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm trying to pace myself. I'm trying to like reel myself back into reality that I have to slow down a bit. So yeah, so that's what happened. Now, on to my what happened this week at the doctor's office. So I went to Dr. Shakima, the Brevadom, and it was an amazing experience. Now I know Dr. Shakima because we've worked on a different project before, so I know her, and that's how I know I wanted to go to her to get my skin checked. And she told me, she confirmed that yes, I do have KP. I'm gonna put what KP is, and eczema. So I've always dealt with eczema all my life. I've realized as I gotten older that I had this KP, which people refer to as chicken skin, and she gave me two things to deal with the scars on my face on the side. It seems like I don't have much going on my face, but trust me, I do. Let me see. So she gave me this cream to put on my face, and it's supposed to prepare me for a procedure I'm going to do, which is a hydrofacial in about 2 weeks. And this cream is supposed to lessen the scars, I believe, on my face. But yeah, that's this cream, and you just put a little dab, and I put it on at night. And then the other cream that she gave me now is a customized cream for me. So as I said, we had a discussion. I told her what my problems were, and they mixed up this concoction, this cream here for me. This is the color of it. It's a bit hot. This is the color of it. And I'm supposed to rub it on my arms where I have the spots. As you can see, my arm is really bad from the eczema, and on my leg. Can't put my leg, but you know how my leg looks from my other video. If you want to see, you could go back to the first video of beginning this journey, how my leg looks. And that's my inner thigh as well, and that is supposed to help lighten those dark spots that the eczema left. And she explained that because I have what's happening is I have ingrown hair, and those ingrown hair is what is making like the bumps on my leg. Yeah. And of course I pick them, and then they become a bigger problem. So hopefully, if that doesn't work, she suggested that I do some sort of laser treatment. But you know, the professionals could explain this a lot better. And I wanted to tape while I went for my consultation, but I felt like if while I'm doing my other procedure, that would be better for the professionals who are doing the procedures to better explain what's happening with my skin and what they're doing and all of that. So that when I go for my hydrofacial, I'm going to vlog while I'm there, so you could get a better understanding of what they're doing, what I really have, what's happening, and how to prevent it. Now, what I'm doing to prevent it right now, especially for my, not to prevent, but to reduce the appearance of my stretch marks as well, is that with KP and with eczema, but mainly with KP, you need to keep exfoliating to take off that dead layer of skin that is on your skin. So that top layer, so I exfoliate. Also in my last video I showed you what I do in the shower. So I put on the glove, and I put some tea tree castile soap on it, and I exfoliate. Now you could do this with any type of scrub. You could put the actual scrub on the glove, and so it's like a double scrub to get off that top layer of skin that's causing your skin to be inflamed and I guess getting ingrown head. I believe that's how that works. But next video I'm going to do some more research so I could come and better inform you of what KP is. But there are tons of videos already on the internet. There's tons of information already on the internet. If you want to know if you have it, I suggest you go to a dermatologist and they explain to you and help you one time. Oh, let me address something. The camera does not show all of my flaws the way they really look. Like, I don't want to be complaining, but I just want to show you for real how my scars really look, how my stretch marks really look. Okay, so these are my stretch marks. Okay, do you see what's going on there? This is my stretch. This is why it's not like any type of normal. Well, this is these kind of normal stretch marks. But you see what's going on right here? This is what happened. This is textured, like my skin wailed, like a wail, like keloid in a sense from the tear. So that is why I'm so adamant, like I'm so self-conscious about my stretch mark, my 3rd-degree stretch marks. I want to also say that I am so blown away by the response and the motivation that I am receiving. I want to thank everyone who has messaged me, seen me on the road and tell me keep going. That is real motivation for me, and that's the main reason why I am doing these vlogs like this. Like, this is why I am documenting my journey like this, even though I am super embarrassed. This is the reason why I'm doing it, because some people keep you accountable. Now, I don't want to tell everybody every single thing that I'm doing, because some people like to tell you things that would discourage you, like,
Oh, you should have lost that 2 pounds 3 weeks ago.
but no, I mean, people that tell you their problems, like, oh, I'm dealing with that too, this is what I do, that motivates me, that keeps me going. I like sharing advice and I love receiving advice. The PSA is still out on the breast lift. Come on, bring me the advice. I like that, and I want to thank everyone that has messaged me about anything about my progress. Thank you for giving me all of your suggestions, giving me all of your advice, telling me to keep pushing, keep going. I'm almost there. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for my next video on the results of this detox. This one is going to be hard. I tend to stop all the time, just like my workouts. I tend to stop all the time, so I'm going to give myself 5 days first. 5 days, and then we're gonna figure out the other 5 if we're gonna do it. But it's just to come out of my plateau. I think once I reach 150, I'm gonna be so excited. Thanks for watching. Again, follow me on social media at Live Love Nikki, on Instagram at Live Love Nikki, on TikTok at Live Love Nikki. I'm also doing recipes as well. I always show what foods I eat on my Instagram stories, so you can follow me there. And yeah, keep it locked and see you next time.